One of the 4 stags of the World Tree. He's supposed to watch the entrance to Jotunheim while the giants sleep. Are you still there?
I do not know.
To Jotunheim while the giants sleep. Are you still there?
I do not know.
Oh, it's mother around here! Where to now?
The peak is still our goal. We find a way up.
Wow. The highest peak in the realms. Think Mom knew this was the Giant's Mountain?
No, the request has been more complicated than she could have foreseen.
It's a name, I think. Brasley. It means terror. What's that? Weird. There's a candle all tangled up with string and some sort of animal hide. Some kind of lantern? No wick, though.
That is of no use to us. The Bifrost lights our way.
Whoa. What is all this? Where are we?
A mine. And if this claw reaches the summit, our goal is near.
Alright, how do we use it? I see how this works. The claw's on one side, and if we get this unstuck... Oh no! I think the rope's stuck under that rock.
That was careless.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Stop. But maybe we can find our way up through there. After, getting rid of those things. Above you, watch out! Okay, here we go. That looked like it hurt. Mommy, incoming fire! I don't think so. Everything okay over there? Father, get up!
Enemies ahead!
You okay? No, don't leave me alone here!
Focus up! Enemies ahead! Focus up! Be ready! Free the rope from under the mess you created up there, boy.
Maybe there's a way up there through that passage that opened.
We will see.
I was wondering who woke up every Draugr in the mountains. Should have figured.
Wow. How big is this place?
It is a mountain. Big. More traps.
There's a tunnel, but you won't fit.
Take it.
Okay. Okay.
Of course.
Think you can move it? Looks kind of heavy.
I can move it.
It moved! And we're stuck. Card's still attached to
I
the...
see that. There.
Let's go! That's it!
it is not useful, leave it alone.
Look! Another lantern!
Broken. Leave it.
What could they be for? Something special. I feel it. Still need to free the rope. I don't think that's a good idea. We might snap the rope. Well, that's not going anywhere. Okay, I think we can get to that rock now. Huh? I think it's up ahead. Well, that looks heavy. No way. We did it! I think we can make the rope wheel work now. Might give us the way to the top. We're doing this! Careful!
Back to the wheel.
You got the glove! It fits! That's perfect. Do you think this goes all the way to the top?
We will see soon enough.
Something feels strange up there. We're heading into danger.
Do not concern yourself with what might be. Focus on what is, and be vigilant.
Yes, sir. Not the top, but we're closer. Wait! That one's not broken! There's a note. A giant's prayer. They're asking their ancestors to watch over them. To guide them home.
Boy,
Wait. I think I know how it works. Watch.
what did you write?
I asked them to watch over Mother. Do you think they'll watch over us on the way to the top?
Come, boy. It is a long way up.
Whoa! What's this?
Stay back! The tunnel, boy.
Got it. Be careful.
More tests.
Boys must have carved these tunnels around the giant's traps. Good thing, too. Well, good for me, anyway. Oh, come on!
That is not helping.
See you on the other side. Another mining rig. It may not be as long a way up as we thought. That did it! Or not. It's still too heavy. How far do you think we'll be able to see? The lake? The world circuit? Our house?
We will see when we get there. Until then, eyes open.
Whoa!
Atreus!
I'm fine. Just lost my balance for a moment. You know, for someone so strong, you sure worry a lot.
It serves me well, and how I keep us alive.
Yes. Not a terribly fun way to live, though.
Ready yourself, boy.
I see improvement.
Here we go! Heavy front, on your right!
That for fun.
I get it. I should worry more. Is this where we get off?
No, we are stuck.
I think part of the lift is stuck in that wall. Can you get it free? How much farther do we have to go?
I do not know.
Think we'll get attacked again?
Definitely.
Oh boy.
Yes. Now be ready. I know.
I think we're safe now.
It would seem.
Father, after we scatter Mother's ashes, what then? What comes next?
Nothing comes next. We go home.
That's it? The adventure is over?
For now. But we will have much to do. You were right earlier on the boat after cutting down the last tree. You said it felt like something had changed. And it has. And our home is no longer safe. But it will be again. And we must continue your training.
Okay. We're almost at the summit. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Calm yourself, boy, and stay behind me.
Yes, sir! You gonna be okay? Father, you're hurt! What are you doing?
Be ready! Hold on!
That was intense.
Hold.
Whoa, what was that? That looks like a root of the Yggdrasil tree. Is that a sap?
Crystallized sap. And there's power inside.
Incredible! I can't believe we fought a dragon. I was aiming for his eyes, but I kept losing my footing. Do you think this is their home? Did they move in after the giants left? Or are they why the giants left?
Boy, the air grows thin here. No more questions. Breathe.
Oh, yes. I see. You hear that? Sounds like someone screaming.
Wait, boy.
It's Sindri. Can you kill something that big?
If we can catch it off balance.
I can distract him.
What are you doing?
We have to help him.
Break right. Find an angle. Wait for my mark.
Thank you. Hey, Ugly! Over here!
I have a plan. Be ready to lower the crane on my mark.
How does this thing work?
I do not care. Be ready.
Wow, we actually did it. And you!
But nobody's killed a dragon for hundreds of years. Not since the grand culling of the worms. And unless I'm mistaken, you did all that for me.
You are mistaken. The dragon was simply in our path, nothing more.
You deny it all you want, but you saved me, and that deserves compensation.
What are these?
Braided mistletoe arrows, straighter than Heimdall and perfectly weighted.
Oh. Thanks?
Oh. Okay. Hold on. Ooh, not that. Have you seen my brother again?
Yeah, he said you lost your talent.
Oh, and that I'm selfish? No, I'm sure. That I value a weapon's look? No, over its purpose. That I'm pretentious? No, and uptight, fussy. I know what he thinks, but he can't hurt me any. Ah! Burn that.
I do not have time for this.
No. Wait. I have a better idea.
What?
I just need a tooth from that dragon. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise you're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. I just need one tooth. I promise. You're gonna like this. Watch where you grab that. Oh, never mind. Oh, so unclean. Oh, so unclean. Oh, the smell. Perfect. That should do. Oh. Yeah. I am not touching that. Just hold it out. Now, run that along the string of your son's bow. Just humor me.
Atreus, your bow.
How do I... Oh, I see. Figured it out.